Broadlink TC3 Smart Light Switch offers you the real smart way to control your home lights by Alexa, Google Home and Siri voice control, or remote control on Broadlink app. We provide 3 different specifications of products to meet the needs of different regions around the world. TC3 has used a modularized design, which means the installation can be very easy with step-by-step instruction. No neutral required. This TC3 is 100% suitable for all houses and apartments with only live wire connections. It's ideal to replace the old wall light switch and make your home smarter. Part 1. Before the setup. The hub is required during the configuration of your switch, S3 hub. You may have noticed that there are 2 different packages of TC3, one includes a hub and the other only has a switch. Customers can choose according to your needs. We need to add the S3 hub into Broadlink app first. Plug in the hub, press and hold the reset button for 5s until the LED flashes intermittently. Please notice that for the first time use the LED indicator will be in Setup AP mode automatically. You can use both AP Setup or Smart Setup to configure the hub. The configuration process is totally same as the RM4 Pro or RM4 Mini. Open Broadlink app, tap plus on the top right corner, and choose Add Device. Select Yes to get to the next step. The app will start to scan and look for your device, and it may take up to 1 minute. Choose your home Wi-Fi network and input the password. The LED indicator will be flashing slower and then off. The device is successfully connected. Part 2. Hardware installation. Now we can start the hardware installation of TC3. Firstly, we need a slotted screwdriver. The light switch is designed with a power module, the back one, and a control module, the front one. Insert a slotted screwdriver from the 2 slots at the bottom to take the 2 parts apart. You will hear a clicking sound during the prizing process. Don't worry, it is very tough, just go ahead. Then please connect L in, live, wire to TC3's leaders in terminal and connect L out, load, wire to TC3's 1 lira, 2 lira or 3 lira terminal. Do not connect neutral or ground wires to TC3 switch. You can use wire conductors or insulating tape to seal neutral or ground wires if they exist. Here we can only simply connect the line as a demonstration. If you are not experienced or not sure about any part, please seek professional assistance from a qualified electrician. Resume the power supply and test the button control when everything finished. If the lamp flashes, please connect the capacitor and package on lamp fixture in parallel between live and neutral wires. Part 3. Add TC3 switch. Now we can start to pair the TC3 switch. Please make sure the switch has been powered on for 2 minutes and keep the lights on before you set up. Only 3 simple steps we can finish the setup. Firstly, scan the QR code on the film of touch panel. If you accidentally tear off the film, don't worry, you can still find a QR code on the back side of control module. Secondly, tap confirm to add on your smartphone. Choose the gateway for switch. The TC3 switch will be added as a sub-device of S3 hub. Then choose a room for the switch and rename it. You can also rename for each gang if you want. Lastly, press and hold any button for 5s until it flashes every 1 sec. Tap the device has been reset to start the pairing. Now you can use the Broadlink app to control your switch. You may have noticed that each gang is considered as a sub-device in Broadlink app. All these sub-devices can be controlled in Alexa and Google Home app. Tap Me, go to Add Voice Assistance. You can simply link the skills here.
Broadlink, build your ideal smart life.